everybody.
It is Friday, March 5th.
Woo! We're into March, everybody.
Cannot believe it's March. I know we say that all the time, Miss Martha, but OMG.
That's right. And it's going to be a great month, and we're kicking it off with
gonna be
fun.
Because we're going to talk about why we're dressed the way we are. I know you're probably like, where's your spirit wear? But you know why. And we're going to tell you right after the flag salute.
Let's do it.
Miss Martha.
All right, everybody, you know what to do. You see the flag. It's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please stand and put your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right. Well, thank you. But wow, what a week we had, right?
Woohoo!
I saw so many awesome pictures online.
Yes.
Absolutely amazing. So as they know, we've agreed that when we have a Spirit Week, we're going to show our pride during our Friday assembly. So should we do a recap, Miss Martha?
Yes, let's do it. Okay, everybody. So as you know, we've been celebrating Read Across America all week long, which is just all about celebrating reading, all the wonderful books that are out there. I know that there are so many books out there that I have not even read, but hopefully your teachers have spent some time this week sharing some new literature with you guys, because there's a lot out there. So every day this week, we focused and had to have a Spirit Day to help in our celebration, because we all know you love those Spirit Days. I know I love them. So on Monday, we celebrated by encouraging everybody to bring their furry little friends with them to class. We have our little furry friends with us. You may recognize this one. He's from a book. Can you guess this one? I think I heard it. Miss Romero, do you know where this little mouse is from?
That one is Oh, I know.
What is it?
I needed a context clue to help me.
There it is right here.
You give a mouse a cookie.
Yes, that's this little character from that story. So I thought I'd have him come join with us today. He's right here.
Thank you for the context clue. Did you see how that cookie made me realize it's not just a mouse?
Because I seen you struggling a little, so I thought, I gotta provide that for you. And you brought your furry friend, which is our Beardsley Bear, right?
It is our little mascot. Hi, guys. Yes, I did.
So we saw lots of pictures of different classes. Oh, you have two.
It's his friend.
Oh, okay.
We like having friends. We get along here.
That's right. So we saw lots of pictures of all the furry friends that you brought to class. So thank you for submitting those pictures. And on Tuesday, we encouraged everybody to bring a book to class.
Guess what I have?
Let me guess. A book?
Not just a book. I have 3 different books.
Wow.
Because you know what, Miss Martha?
What?
Everybody likes to read different things.
That's right.
And so I thought, you know what? I love sports. So I'm going to catch up on, and I know you do. I know you do too. Well, baseball. Let's talk about baseball. But this was a cool book I found. It's Sports Illustrated, the top 10 to everything in sports. Who wants to borrow my book? Mm-hmm.
Looks pretty interesting.
And so it's pretty much a nonfiction because it's telling you facts about sports. And then I thought, I always love a good tearjerker. I always love a story that tells you you can do it and you're beautiful no matter what. And this one was Martina, the Beautiful Cockroach.
What? I don't think beautiful and cockroach necessarily go together, but that's kind of sparked my interest.
You want to borrow my book?
I think I might have.
I'll let you borrow my book. And then I thought, you know what? I've been really practicing my Spanish. You know, when we do our student of the month and we have our students who are amazing in the dual program. And I thought, there's nothing I think I'd want more now than aloha.
Woohoo!
Aloha, yeah. You guys tell me. Anyways, Judy Bean Jones, and this is an option too. It is in Spanish. Woo! So I just like that I was able to find books of different genres, different interest levels, but it's still fun to read as long as it's what you want, right?
That's right. That's what's most important, because you don't necessarily have to read a long book to say that you're a good reader. You don't necessarily have to have one that has no pictures in it, because sometimes, like that sports book, I'm sure it's full of pictures and full of facts, and that's still reading.
Tons. Look at just those sports on this page alone.
Wow.
Yeah. Amazing.
Pretty cool. So we just know that you shared lots of books in your classes, and we even had some middle schoolers who volunteered to go and read to our primary classes. So thank you,
awesome.
Middle school. That was so much fun. On Wednesday, we celebrated by encouraging everybody to wear rainbow colors, because just like Miss Romero shared, books add a lot of color to our lives. That's right. That's right. So on Thursday, let's continue. On Thursday, we encouraged everybody to wear a college shirt, because reading makes you smart. And so we are representing with our
I have
college.
to say that the irony of you wearing Penn State and me wearing USC is we kind of beat you in the Rose Bowl.
That's okay.
Great
We
game.
are forever
Great
fans.
game. Quite a few, not a whole bunch of years ago. What was it, like 5 years ago? Those of you watching who know, you know, that was one of the best games. And guess what?
What?
I was there.
Wow.
Were you there?
No, I wasn't there.
That's okay. We got to keep it positive. But we beat them.
And that's okay. We still love you, Miss Romero, even though you're an SC fan.
What? How'd she do that? She flipped it on me. I still won.
Yeah,
Okay, back to the positive.
I will give you that. Okay. See, college rivalries, it brings out, I don't know, all kinds of everything in people. Okay.
All fun.
So getting back to Read Across America, on Friday, which is today, we are celebrating by encouraging everybody to wear neon colors, because your future is so bright when you wear neon colors. And I do have neon somewhere under here, under my college shirt. I wore my neon colors too. Oh, I think we look a lot smarter because our future is so bright.
Ooh, so bright. So bright.
So thank you, everybody, for participating in our Read Across America. All of these activities are always so much fun, and it just makes learning a lot more fun when we have spirit days that go along with all the things that we are celebrating. So continue reading, and finding those books that you really enjoy is the most important thing to remember out of all of the celebrations this week. Because what I like to read may not be what you like to read, Mr. Romero, but that's okay. I know sometimes I just want to read magazines just because it's just fun to look at different magazines. And sometimes I want a good book that I can sit and read every evening. So there's lots of different things to read. Find what you enjoy.
Find what you love. And you know what, Miss Martha, you are right, because I have found I didn't like reading as much, and then I found a love for reading, and now I just get so involved in the book I'm reading, and I'm reading a new one. I just finished another one, because that is also relaxing for me. It gets you, it unplugs you from all the craziness in your life and the world, and you just get to enjoy like a book. There's nothing more neat. Nothing more special than that.
That's right.
It's to escape from reality.
Woo!
And
That's right. Because sometimes you feel like you're in the story.
Yes, yes. And have you ever read a book and then think about the characters after? And you're like, wait, that was fiction, but I'm still thinking about the characters.
And then I'm sad when it's over. And then I'm like, oh, I wish I would have kept going.
I know. And then there's nonfiction, and you learn so much from nonfiction. And then you think about the person and what they went through in life because you have so much more knowledge about what they experienced. So anyways, books are amazing.
As you can tell, we're fans, not just because we're teachers, but because we just think they're fun. And we've found the joy in reading.
So you hit it on the head. We do like to have fun and celebrate our Read Across America, but we also want to remember why it's Read Across America. So with that said, I think somebody has some news.
Yes. Should we continue?
Wait, you're going ahead. I know, boys and girls. She's so excited about her news. Ready? For da 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 da. Miss Mata.
Okay, everybody. Yes. So some more good news and some more exciting things. We have a new focus for our student of the month. Let's see, last month we did W, which was our wise choices. And if you saw our assembly last week, we got to honor so many students for making wise choices. If you have not received your certificate yet in the mail, don't worry, it's coming. It is coming. But we have a new focus for this month because now we need to move on to the S. The S. What is it, guys? What are we going to focus on?
Oh, I hear it.
You are right. Safety. We're focusing on safety. So we have some really good things to share about safety because sometimes it might be a little hard being that we are in distance learning to focus on safety. Feel like being on campus is a little bit easier, but there are 3 things in safety that everybody has been practicing. And if you think of it the way I'm going to share, it's going to make it even easier. So they are called the 3 W's. Even though we are focusing on the S for safety, they are the 3 W's that have to go with safety. The first one is wear a mask. W, wear a mask. That's right. Everybody we're pretty much pros in wearing our masks. Look at Miss Romero. She's got it.
I think I'm pretty cool with it on.
That's right. You look pretty awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, so it's wear a mask. The next W is wash your hands. That's right. And I even see you've got your sanitizer nearby because sometimes when you don't have soap and water nearby, grabbing sanitizer is the next best thing. Fabulous.
Absolutely.
So wear a mask, wash your hands, and the last W is watch your distance, which is 6 feet apart.
I was trying to put my bear. I guess it's not up. I was trying to be 6 feet apart.
Well, we can see the top of his head.
Okay, good.
Very good. 6 feet apart, Miss Romero. Wow, you're really good at showing it. A great example.
Thank you. I try.
That's right. So everybody, remember when you are out in public to make sure you follow our safety rules by wearing a mask and washing your hands when you can and watching your distance. I think those are very easy.
I got his friend so you could see his head.
He looked really cute on the screen right there, his little head.
So cute, huh?
Oh. Love it.
I heard.
All right, so that is our focus for the month, guys, and a few reminders about how you can remain safe this month. And we look forward to honoring our next round for Student of the Month.
Love it, love it, love it. Okay, boys and girls, well, it is time to Stretch it out. In 1. Ooh, I liked your head, Miss Martha. You got into that. You were like, yeah, I'm ready to stretch it out. Stretch it out. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and reach for the ceiling. Oh, and touch your toes. Don't fall out, Miss Martha. And stand up. And roll your shoulders back. And roll them forward. And how about arms out? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's roll our head. But don't roll it too fast or it might fall off. All right, let's walk. Walk. Whoa, got my hair there. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. And again. Hold on. I kind of feel like my stuffed animal's left out because I see yours.
Now we're twins.
Haha. I get to be in the picture too, he says. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Okay, boys and girls, are you ready?
I think we're ready.
Okay, and don't worry, his friend's right here. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? I'm ready. Oh, that cookie kind of looks good.
It does.
All right. Okay, in 1, 2, 3. I can and I will have pride in myself and my school. I can and I will have
a positive attitude.
I can and I will make wise choices. I can and I will
act safely.
I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and I will. Boys and girls, make it a great day. Make it a great week. Remember to stay cool and read because cool people read. Right?
That's right. That is fantastic thinking. Yes.
And cool people act safely. Right?
That's right. That's right.
And cool people wear USC sweatshirts.
Wow, Miss Romero.
I think you said yeah. I think she said yeah. You know, we just like to joke because we like to have fun and make you guys laugh. I hope you're laughing. I hope you're laughing because you know we're always joking. Well, Miss Martha, let's say goodbye.
All right, everybody. Thanks for joining us. Bye.
Bye.